amashomero agagabanige muri Shiraruhanga habwo mutindo murungi ogubatireho mukora jibuzo bya senior na primary n'amatendekero okusimo kwayitabwa mu bakuru b'amashomero abarukuru ubuciko bwago hamwe n'abanyadini ahandi ngo zitari zimwe na zimwe.
Shiraruhanga abo kureba ngo atwebembireje okukora ebigezo ebya primary chamshanju kandi nebye senior yakana nebya haya ebya UNEB ebitukumanya ebikukira kushobora kandi twenda kusimarhanga abo kuba Archbishop w'ekanisa ya Uganda atire na certificate erukoreka ngu endengo ezo zoni 3 abana bitu bakakoraje akozesa akagambo outstanding twenda kusima akakumanyisa ngu okukora okabonereza kimwe mwen twenda kusima abo bona batu basise kutamamano mu mashomero gitu tutandika n'abazire abakutuhereza abana bakora umurimo murungi
omukushaboku amashomero agakozerege gahebwe bihembo ebyababera muza certificate.
Ezingire bitare
the way you know us. I want to make a comment on behalf of the head teachers. Come on, let's appreciate it first.
Reasoning yanjye ishomero kamba na music school kandi n'abana bishatu bishatu bari 300 plus 305 when I really just 305 out of 400 when I talk about ishomero in its own analysis ndisinga buri wayine 24
nabo performance quality improving twantureba tukagera abana bina abandi 10 munana bambara municipal mu wakaberebere ndijo bakatoje harwe when twantusimarhanga kandi no kugambara head teachers ukongera kutamamani kureba ngo target yitu abana bona especially abahaya bareba ngo target yawo yakuza kuzuma university kandi bakashimara hasente za government.
Omuganda minister w'ebyobuhingi n'oburisa Bright Rwamirama obwabira ryaha mukoro gwo kusima okusibura no kwakira mukuru w'ishomero ya Bon Conseil Girls School muri Isingiro ahabwira abejo kutwara amashomero ga science kandi omukoro ogwo gutandikire n'ekitambo kya misa.
Abebembezi we meet disappointments ubundi tushisha atwena twaza kucicu kandi mwena nabashagara okukusasirwa ubundi tushisha ubundi numutugaba appointments umuhurura wahurura timbanya kasita Grace kuka kandi bakutira umwanya mu byo buterero hango umungara.
School attracts a lot of attention. It has some customary name added on, vocational. A student who lives here lives an all-round person. And for the young men who are looking for couples, this is where you should focus. Yes. So I want to implore you, students, to take advantage and make yourself relevant to the job market, make yourself relevant to the environment of business, make yourself relevant to the community where you live.
Bakuru bishomerere n'ekigombe cy'abasosite cyaritandikireho basimerwe.
For supporting the district in starting such institutions that enable our girl child to acquire education and at an even affordable rate.
Are you working with us? We appreciate that. And I remember when I came here, we were telling senior fours that are you going to make it? They were like, we shall make it. What can stop us? We have everything. We have teachers, we have conducive environment, we have food, we have whatever.
Aha mukoro ogu otwirara mukuru w'ishomero Sister Grace Naturinda asibwirwe kandi bakire Sister Gladys Kachope nka mukuru w'ishomerero musya. Sister Gladys Kachope abire naruga hishomero rya Immaculate Heart mu Rukunjiri ahabira amazire emyaka 18. Gashakwa Abdulkarim Sengendo na Felix Nduhura.